disassemble and assemble the oil press. For this we need 3 tools, the hammer and these 2 wrenches. First of all, we have to remove the heater. Then with this tool, the nozzle holder and the nozzle. After that, the star holder with the star. To unscrew, it goes to left side. Left. Yeah. This part unscrew again to left. To remove the basket, and to unscrew the sieve, it goes to right. This. And the snail just take out. To assemble the snail, just put in. After that, the sieve, screw in, it goes to left. That's it. Screw in, it goes to right. That's okay. After, the star. We take off the cam nut. This part screw in total, and after 1.5 circle back, and then put on the nut and fix it. And that's it.